How to cure for a rubber plant. Ficus Elastica rubber plants are popular houseplants. Known for their glossy, dark green leaves and striking appearance. They are relatively easy to care for, making them a great choice for indoor gardeners. Here is how to care for them. 1. Light requirements. Ideal light. Rubber plants thrive in bright, indirect light. They can tolerate some direct sunlight, especially morning sun, but avoid prolonged exposure to harsh afternoon sun. Low light. They can adapt to lower light conditions, but growth may slow down, and leaves may lose some of their vibrancy. 2. Watering frequency. Water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry. Rubber plants prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Ensure the pot has good drainage. Underwatering. If the leaves start to droop or curl, it may be a sign that the plant needs water. 3. Soil type. Use a well-draining potting mix. A mix designed for houseplants or a combination of peat, pine bark and perlite works well. Drainage. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the roots. 4. Temperature and humidity. Temperature. Rubber plants prefer temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing them to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. Humidity. They thrive in higher humidity. Mist the leaves occasionally. Use a humidity tray or place a humidifier nearby. 5. Fertilizing frequency. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced diluted houseplant fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing. Too much fertilizer can cause leaf burn and other issues. 6. Pruning and cleaning. Pruning. Prune to maintain shape and encourage bushy growth. Cut just above a leaf node. Cleaning. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and keep them looking shiny and healthy. 7. Repotting. When repot every 2 to 3 years, or when the plant becomes root-bound. Pot size. Choose a pot that is 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. Benefits of rubber plants. Air purification. Rubber plants are known for their ability to remove indoor air pollutants such as formaldehyde, improving air quality. Aesthetic appeal. With their large glossy leaves and striking appearance, rubber plants add a touch of elegance and modernity to any indoor space. Low maintenance. Rubber plants are relatively easy to care for, making them ideal for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. Versatility. They can be grown as floor plants, tabletop plants, or even trained to grow as small trees, offering versatile decorating options. Pet-friendly with caution. Rubber plants are mildly toxic if ingested by pets. Keep them out of reach of curious cats and dogs. Secrets to a thriving indoor rubber plant. Proper lighting. While rubber plants can tolerate lower light conditions, they grow best in bright, indirect light. Variegated varieties may lose their variegation in low light. Consistent watering. Establish a consistent watering schedule. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause the leaves to droop and drop. Regular pruning. Regular pruning encourages bushy or growth and prevents the plant from becoming leaky. Prune just above a leaf node to promote new growth. Monitor for pests. While rubber plants are generally pest-resistant, keep an eye out for common houseplant pests, like spider mites and scale. Treat any infestations promptly. Use a humidity tray optional. If your home is very dry, placing the pot on a humidity tray with water and pebbles can help maintain a slightly more humid environment around the plant. Rotate the plant. Rotate the plant occasionally to ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning toward the light source. Leaf care. Keep the leaves clean and dust-free by wiping them with a damp cloth. This not only keeps the plant looking its best, but also helps it photosynthesize more efficiently. By following these care tips and understanding the benefits, you can enjoy a thriving rubber plant that not only enhances your indoor space, but also contributes to a healthier living environment.